1. Get in shape. Getting in shape is easy when you utilize law of attraction techniques during the process. You will need to take action to do this, but action all begins in the mind. Your thoughts become reality and a goal of getting the toned physique you have been dreaming of can be achieved. What to do? Get very detailed about your fitness goals and hold yourself accountable for your choices. Use a combination of motivational affirmations and visualization to keep your motivation going strong. If you want to be able to run a marathon without stopping, use an affirmation similar to, "Every day I run longer and feel better doing it." Then picture yourself running that entire marathon while feeling incredible, powerful, and fully capable. If your goal is to look good in your bathing suit, picture yourself looking amazing on the beach and let those emotions fill you with determination to work out and eat right. A saying that has helped keep many people on track towards their fitness goals is, "No food tastes as good as being in shape feels." Whenever you are tempted to eat something naughty, think about how much better it feels to look good in your own skin. Affirmations to get in shape. My body is full of strong muscles. I see my body getting more fit every day. I have a physique that is both strong and healthy. My workouts are always consistent and enjoyable. I really push myself to be my very best. Visualization technique to get in shape. Visualization for getting in shape has been scientifically proven to help build strength and improve your performance during workouts. The law of attraction is a powerful tool to turn yourself into an extremely physically fit individual. Before going to the gym or lifting weights, picture yourself performing your workout with ease. If you are planning on doing a certain activity or workout out a specific muscle group, visualize yourself easily getting through it using all of your senses to fill in the details. Feel the weights in your hands and the tension on your body, look at the amount of weight you are lifting and allow yourself to feel completely confident in your ability to do anything. Imagine that you feel empowered to be your very best. If you are running, imagine that you can breathe with ease and your heartbeat is very steady and strong. Let the feeling of running like a well-oiled engine give you that extra motivational support to complete your fitness goals. 2. Stop worrying. Are you the kind of person that chooses to think about the worst-case scenario of any situation? Well, if you ever want anything good to happen to you, this must stop now. There is nothing worse for you and your future than being in a constant state of worry. After all, you attract what you think about. What to do? The first step to stop worry from being the center of your every thought is to switch over to being an optimist. Optimists don't worry. They live life knowing that with their efforts and positive thinking anything is possible. Try the NICE technique: notice, intervene, change, embrace. Wear a rubber band, bracelet, or anything else as a reminder to be nice. If you catch yourself worrying about anything at all, notice it. Then intervene with your line of thinking and change it. Finally, embrace your new thought by feeling good about it. For example, you are working on a project and begin to worry about the deadline and being incapable of meeting it. You see your reminder and notice these worries, which makes you remember to intervene and change your thinking. Instead you think, "I have what it takes to get the work done in plenty of time." Then think about how good it will feel when you finish with spare time and let that make you feel good inside. Affirmations to stop worrying. I am a naturally worry-free person. I know that everything will work out for me. Everything will be okay now and always. I am confident that my life will be wonderful. I have a strong sense of optimism for the future. Visualization technique to stop worrying. Identify your worries and write them down on paper. Now close your eyes and think about the things you have written. Focus on one worry at a time. Picture the situation that you are worried about as if it was happening in this very moment. Instead of allowing yourself to visualize the situation going badly, imagine that it is already going perfectly and without a single problem. Focus on how happy and relieved you are that the situation is going so well. Thank the universe for giving you positive results. If something is already going wrong and it makes you feel worried, Visualize that it works out in some way for the better. That there is some reason for the situation and that you will come out of it a better person. Think of it as the dark night before a beautiful morning. Above all, keep an optimistic attitude during your visualizations. 3. Get a promotion or raise. There aren't very many of us that can say we wouldn't love to get a promotion or make more money. Thankfully you have some control over this with the help of the law of attraction. You can climb the ranks and make more money, so don't go another day settling for less. What to do? Find out how much you want and believe that you are worthy of it. Be worthy of more money by increasing your skills and knowledge in your industry. Take on more responsibility to prove you can handle more. Go above and beyond to show that you are more valuable in a higher position. Be confident in yourself and don't be afraid to ask for it. You do deserve it. Start acting as if you have already succeeded in getting more by investing in a few nice outfits for work or buying something that will come in handy when you are promoted. When you dress and look the part, people automatically want to give you more. Get creative and come up with a way that will make everyone more productive and effective. A positive attitude spawns creativity and inspiration will come easily. Affirmations to get a promotion or raise. I am next in line for a pay increase. I know that more money is coming my way soon. I am the person that will receive the next promotion. My skills and expertise continue to attract better pay and positions. The more I focus on moving up the ladder at work, the faster I climb. Visualization technique to get a promotion or raise. Before beginning your workday, do this visualization to keep your positive vibrational energy set to attract. This is a perfect technique to use while you are still in your vehicle or while enjoying your cup of coffee in the morning. Close your eyes and think about what you want to happen today at work. Visualize that your boss or clients come to you with gratitude and admiration for the job you do. Imagine them telling you that they feel you are capable of more than your current position. Listen to them tell you that you have been promoted or that you will now be getting X amount more money. Really allow yourself to hear the words in your mind and see the expression on their face. 4. Gain respect. Without respect it is impossible to be taken seriously and appear as a valuable member of society. Earning the respect of others starts internally. There are probably a lot of things you don't know about how to gain respect, so let's clear things up and find out what it takes to gain this crucial virtue. What to do? The answer to gaining the respect of others lays in how much you respect yourself and others. When you think about your respect for yourself and the people around you, this is reflected back to you. When you lack respect yourself, you cannot expect anyone to respect you. That's why they say that respect is a two-way street. This is a perfect example of the law of attraction in action. Affirmations to gain respect. All those who know me treat me with the utmost respect. I am respected by my family, friends, and colleagues. When I speak, people listen with respect and trust. My respect for others is always mutual. I am admired and respected by those who know me. Visualization technique to gain respect. This visualization can be done before any social situation to give you the boost of confidence you need to gain immediate respect. Think about the people you are about to see. Think about having a high amount of respect for them. Practice acting respectfully towards them in your mind and focus on having a polite expression on your face as well as using kind words. Visualize that they return your respect through their words, actions, and facial expressions. Note how good it feels to be around people who respect you and treat you with kindness. Allow that feeling to magnify and imagine that it becomes so strong, that you are now a magnet for respect. Think about the people that have disrespected you in the past, now unable to say or do anything disrespectful again. Your entire aura now demands respect. It feels very good. Now open your eyes and enter into that social situation exuding confidence and respect. 5. Improve your marriage. Whether you just tied the knot last week or are celebrating many years together, there is always room for improvement within a marriage. No couple is absolutely perfect, and others will require much more attention, but have no worries, your marriage can be full of love and happiness when you take the right approach. What to do? Marriage is based on your intentions and following through. It's also about welcoming differences and being able to cope with them with an accepting heart. There will no doubt be times when you disagree with each other, and a positive attitude is all you need. Bring a fun and flirty approach to every day and don't take things too seriously. If there is an issue that is bothering you, communicate in a loving way rather than placing blame. Always look for ways to please your spouse and they will return the favor. Focus on all of the things that your partner does right. A great way to help strengthen the bond between you both is to give each other intention lists and vow to make each other's intentions come true, one at a time. Keep them positive. Rather than saying you want something to stop, say you want something to start. Affirmations to improve your marriage. I am married to the most amazing person in the entire world. My marriage is one of the best things that has ever happened to me. I love doing things that make my husband/wife happy. Happy marriage comes naturally to our relationship. My marriage gets better and better every single day. Visualization technique to improve your marriage. Visualize the way you want your marriage to be and use affirmations together to instill characteristics you want to have. For instance, if your spouse wants you to put your socks in the hamper rather than the floor, be receptive and use affirmations to help you do this, coupled with visualizing yourself taking your socks off and putting them in the hamper immediately. And if you want your spouse to help more around the house with chores, have them repeat an affirmation followed by visualizing completing the chores and enjoying it. This visualization technique requires compromise. You cannot make your spouse do anything they don't want to do. But, if you both want to make it work, you can help each other make changes for yourselves and each other. 6. Gain certainty. The more certain about things you are, the clearer your goals become and the easier it is to have the law of attraction working for you and not against you. Confusion is a gray area that can hinder progress and ultimately keep you from your true desires. It's time to gain certainty about what you want out of life. What to do? A great way to get clear and gain certainty is by using a technique called remembering the future. Take a moment to think about yourself in the future when you are very old, after you have accomplished everything you ever wanted and are now enjoying the end of your life in complete comfort without a single regret. This is the life that you want to capture and look back on as if you are remembering your future. Think about what you want to have when you reach the top and what legacy you want to leave behind. Delve into every aspect of what life holds, including career, family, wealth, happiness, passions, and anything you could ever hope to achieve. Then find out what it takes to get all of that. This will be your path to complete certainty. Affirmations to gain certainty. My path is clear and I am completely focused on it. I know that I will accomplish my dreams. I am very certain about what I want and how to get it. When I set my mind to something, I know what to do. I am confident in my decisions and have no regrets. Visualization technique to gain certainty. Think about your perfect day. What would you do? Where would you go? Who would you be with? What would your schedule be like? How do you feel? What do you see? Answer these questions and begin visualizing what it would be like to be living your life in that perfect day. Let your thoughts flow, and if something is especially appealing to you, go ahead and open your eyes to write it down. Do this visualization once daily to really get a clear picture of what is important to you and be certain about your direction. After a few weeks, gather your notes from these visualizations and use them to create a vision board for your passions, interests, and goals. 7. Stop procrastinating. Procrastinators always wait. They wait so long and so often that opportunities pass them by and goals continue to elude them. But procrastinators can change thanks to the law of attraction. Opportunities can greet you around every corner and your goals will be reached without a doubt when you learn to stop procrastinating and start doing. What to do? Procrastinators rarely take the time to record their ambitions. Writing down the things on paper can really help you hold yourself accountable. Choose the more difficult tasks first to get them out of the way and break down big jobs into smaller tasks to make them less daunting. Another thing that stops you from immediacy is not believing you can actually do it. You must remove limiting beliefs before procrastination can be stopped completely. Affirmations to stop procrastinating. I am capable of doing anything right now. Every moment is a time to embrace and take action. I choose to finish things immediately. I am easily able to start and finish things quickly. I love to get things done right away rather than wait. Visualization technique to stop procrastinating. Think about the things you want to do and begin breaking them up into smaller tasks. This will help your visualization become a treat rather than an overwhelming process. Once you have your steps worked out, begin the first step in your mind as if you are starting it. Focus on stirring feelings of determination and focus as you are working through the step in your mind. Really get into the process by seeing exactly what you would do in reality. If you begin to feel apprehensive, picture your end result. Imagine what it will be like when you are finished and one step closer to your goal. Then go back to visualizing the steps. Continue to visualize yourself doing the next consecutive task until you finish them all in your mind. Think about how much easier it is to complete these tasks than you anticipated. When you finish the visualization, give yourself a moment to feel gratitude for completing the entire project and for sticking with it. Now use this feeling to get started on the real deal. 8. Create opportunity. Opportunities are like ladders waiting to be climbed. How great would it be to start building your own ladders so big that you can climb to the top? You can truly create opportunity in your life, and all it takes is the right mindset and the passion to ignite it. What to do? Realize how much power you have over your future first and foremost. You really can do whatever you set your mind to. The trick is discovering how. Let go of fear and doubt and let your creative mind go free without casting judgment. Learn everything there is to know about whatever it is you're passionate about. The more you know, the more doors will open and the more ladders you will find to climb. Be courageous and resilient by tackling things head on and getting right back up when you fall down. You will find that at the top of every ladder, 2 more ladders of opportunity appear. Every time you take an opportunity, you will be lead closer and closer towards your goals. Affirmations to create opportunity. I always have a way to accomplish my goals. The people and situations in my life are constantly providing me with amazing opportunities. Whenever I look, I find opportunity everywhere. Success comes to me naturally and without strain. It is easy for me to find ways of doing what I want to do. Visualization technique to create opportunity. This is a visualization best done before working towards your goals on a daily basis. For example, if you are currently working on gaining customers for your business, take a moment to perform this technique before beginning your research or customer inquiries. Close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Try to relax and clear your mind of any questions. Think about success and what that means to you. Imagine yourself getting exactly what that entails. Visualize what it would look like, how much you would have in your bank account, and what your life would include. Now create opportunities in your mind that make those successes possible. For instance, you pass someone at a store and hear them discussing their need for exactly what you offer. You tell them about your business or service and they immediately become interested. They spread the word to their friends, and within a few weeks, you go from having 0 customers to having 20 regular paying customers. This gives you the opportunity to expand through advertising and you grow even bigger. You have enough now to hire a few employees and your reach extends to a larger customer pool. Later, your business really takes off and you find you can afford to expand and hire a team of experts to keep your business moving in the right direction with you at the helm. Continue to find these opportunities in your mind as if they were little doors to walk through until you achieve the ultimate success. Get creative with your visualization and really let it feel real. When you create these situations in your mind, You are inviting them to happen in reality and the universe will respond. 9. Eliminate social anxiety. If you start to feel unusually stressed out when you enter social situations or completely avoid them altogether in order to avoid a total meltdown, then this message is for you. Humans are highly social beings and thrive when we are able to do so naturally and without feeling anxious. But when you have social anxiety, everything is different. The good news is that the law of attraction can create balance in your social life. What to do? Start with pinpointing the specific areas of socialization that trigger negative responses. Create affirmations that state how you would want to react in the situation. Next, immerse yourself in as many social situations as possible without thinking about it. Just jump in, be yourself, and don't worry about what others think about you too much. Affirmations to eliminate social anxiety. When I speak, I am going to sound confident, smart and friendly. I am easily able to be around others and feel comfortable. Other people instantly like being around me and I like being around others. Everyone will notice how calm and cool I am. I am comfortable with myself despite my flaws and everyone accepts me. Visualization technique to eliminate social anxiety. Create a list of experiences or social situations that give you an anxious feeling. Start with the one that gives you the most anxiety. Visualize the situation going well in your mind until you feel as if you have already overcome that negative response. Use your imagination like a practice zone for socializing and don't be afraid of messing up. Do this for each issue until you feel no anxiety during the visualization. 10. Improve family life. If you have been doing nothing but arguing with your family and tensions are high, it is impossible to feel content with your life. Family is a major part of who you are, and if things aren't going well, it really has an impression on all other aspects of your day. There are some ways to get through those rough patches and back to smooth sailing. What to do? Every morning vow to yourself that you will be a positive example for everyone in your family. Smile, be kind and positive, and do things for your family that they will appreciate. Give your love freely and generously and never yell or use a negative tone. Let each family member know that you love them every day and let them know that they can always come to you to talk. Show respect in different ways by listening to your family members and taking their feelings into consideration. Spend time together every day doing something just for fun, even if it's just for a few minutes. Fill your home with laughter and you will improve your family in no time at all. Affirmations to improve family life. My family is supportive, happy, and a great inspiration. I have the most loving family anyone could ask for. I find it easy to get along with every member of my family. My family is always there for me when I need them. I have the most fun with my family. Visualization technique to improve family life. Imagining your family doing fun things together and supporting each other is a great way to get those positive energy vibrations flowing. You will find that just thinking about your family in a happy way will bring about happy changes in your family life. First, picture something that is fun and imagine that each member of your family is smiling and having a great time. Think about how special your family is and the secret jokes you share. Visualize yourself using words and acting in a way that supports your family and shows them how much you care. Then imagine one-on-one time with each member of your family and the special things only you both share. Creating bonds in the mind helps you create them in real life.